Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another Helicity video. Today we are with Zenith
Yep.
for like the 20th time in a row, guys. Yes, I know. So let's take a quick look at these thermos. We got 10 lapse rates, 76 dew point, 4,434 K. Pretty good. Wind shear 32 knots.
Pretty good.
Relative humidity 72%. Overall, pretty good. I'm going to be rocking the TIV 2 while Zenith is going to do the TIV 1. And yeah, let's get into it.
I ate blue cheese. Not actually.
We have
Oh, storm.
Yeah.
Me and Red Becky were just driving around so cinematically in Malika. Now there's just storm. Come on, hit the wood. Oh, I hit the parking
What
brake.
did you even
Now I'm gonna
hit? Oh, this could be a
I hit the
bullet
parking
right
brake.
Watch it go due west.
Don't jinx it.
I hope I do jinx it.
I do not need a straight west tornado.
Dude, I feel like Zenith is gonna get lifted countless amount of times today.
You should not be having hopes that I get lifted.
I just love jinxing things, dude. I love doing it.
Dude, I literally think last video, if I'm correct at the intro, I said my Dom 2's I think I was thinking to myself, my Dom 2 probably won't get lifted this video. It got I was yeeted across Winston.
Yeah. You almost hit me there. Oh, I have visual on the funnel right now. Pick TBS. Oh, here we go.
Everything's it's just all breaking out.
Oh, Winston. Winston's getting destroyed. It's on the ground. It's fully on the ground.
I see that.
Yeah, debris surrounding it. We got debris in the clouds, too.
Do you think I'll make it on that dirt road, or should I just stay over here on this main one?
I would make it over here.
I'm in a horrible spot for screenshots because there's like big grass areas next to me.
Okay,
what's the
I don't think
velocity
that.
already
Oh,
on
whoa. I just got stuck on it.
Keep lagging out.
Alright, it's right here. This is very small. I don't know if I'm gonna do anything. Alright, I'm deploying my tape right here. I'm gonna wait.
You're lagging a bunch on Discord.
Alright,
I think I see him. He's like right there.
My probe
It's
is
spinning
deployed.
violently.
My probe is deployed. Here we go. This doesn't look very violent. Oh, I'm getting
Pink TBS on both radars.
Oh, I forgot about Tina. I got Tina on the thing. Oh, that's violent. Alright, 70 outside, 80. Oh god, 130 outside, 140 outside, 160, 172 outside the funnel. DNI for tips 1. DNI tip 1. Wow, 170.
I'm gonna play outside the funnel one.
170 front end. Wow, that was violent. Wow, yeah. That is... I didn't actually expect it to be that violent first tornado. That's pretty good.
Well, it does have like very crazy velo.
Yeah, I was on twin radar though. I was kind of stuck on twin radar, so I forgot about yeah, that thing's violent. I wouldn't intercept on that in the TIV 1. Alright.
It's crossing. It's gonna cross right
here.
ahead of me.
Yeah, it's right here. I'm like almost in the funnel right now.
I'm in the funnel.
Yeah, look to your right. Look to your left. Look behind you.
100. 113 only.
I'm right here. I'm getting.
Oh, 170! Oh, I'm moving! I got picked up for a quick second.
Yeah, I'm getting 116 from here.
I got 176.
Oh god, I barely survived this. It's stationary. It's not moving at all. Maybe I should deploy.
Oh yeah, it went stationary right there.
Yeah. You see me? I got 116.
Oh yeah, you're right there.
Yeah, I didn't deploy.
I
could've done it.
moved forward. like my tip went leap forwards.
Yeah,
Close to
definitely
hatch.
could kill a windmill.
Yeah, I got 176.
All right, that was pretty decent.
It's actually really successful.
Yeah, I got 116 back there. It's a pretty big win there. It did go stationary over here.
Yeah.
It wasn't moving.
I can't tell if I got the. I think I get the left side, didn't I? Or did I get the right? I can't tell.
I'm pretty sure you got the right side.
Oh, here's the RFD.
Yeah, RFD surge is coming. Oh, it's
Here we are.
strengthened.
The Ford Bronco.
What the heck?
Batman.
All right, I'm deploying here.
Yep. Down on the ground.
Oh, we're getting 30s on my probe.
Yeah, I'm reading 30s from here. Oh, debris flying overhead.
Oh, I see that. Oh!
60. Big wind field.
75.
Big wind field.
Here we go.
70, 80, 90, 100.
I'm going cinematic for this intercept.
M2, 130.
Oh, there was a Bronco!
140.
150, 160.
146. 146. Oh, stuff's getting thrown around.
Yeah, I see that.
I think we hit the core.
Oh,
The core,
maybe.
yeah.
Hey, look up.
146.
I got
I see them.
159.
Whoa, that's really blue. 150.
150?
51.
168. Oh my god.
That
My
got close to my threshold.
Yeah, my probe definitely got the right end. 168 on my probe. Wow.
Anyway, go and lift up my claws.
Yeah, 168. Oh my god.
Probably actually going to drop the probe.
Yeah, this thing is actually. It's right here. I'm gonna drop a probe on a set.
I'm gonna back up like.
This is very risky. Oh no. I'm out of stamina. Crap.
Alright, I'm deploying. 60, 70, 80. Are you
Oh no!
here?
I might be dead.
I'm probably dead. I'm probably dead.
Okay, I'm in my tip.
117.
I'm good. My probe is 110 where you are.
Yeah.
Alright, what's the output looking like?
I got me turret open.
My probe's getting 1. Yeah, decently.
I think 117. Pretty weak. I hit the core. I'm only got 117.
Yeah, my probe is getting 57, 56. Yeah, I got 150 on my probe. Dang.
Then quickly strengthen.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, I got 150 actually. Dang.
I got 137.
How?
Your probe is not even that far. Oh, it's probably support.
I didn't know someone's really thinking. Alright, so for what you guys are about to see is something that was insanely crazy. I'm very surprised I actually survived this. So if you've gotten this far, comment banana down below, and yeah, enjoy this crazy part. Same. Yeah, oh my god. This could be a thumbnail shot right here. I gotta get on my tip 2 right now.
Oh,
Maybe
look
no
at the
lightning,
velocity.
but
Extremely violent.
oh crap. Yep,
It's spinning so violently.
this is a thumbnail right here. Oh my god, that is a sick thumbnail.
Look
oh
how
my
quick
god.
it's spinning.
This thumbnail's insane. I already took one though, so the rain hit. And I took my thumbnail with absolutely no rain. I see you coming up behind me.
You went way too ahead, I think.
Oh, it's spinning really fast. Holy crap. This could be our strongest today. This could literally be our strongest.
It's humming.
It's humming?
I think at least. It is.
It's humming! It's humming! Ground shake, ground shake, ground shake! DNI Tiv 1, DNI Tiv 1. shoot, Tip 1's actually about to go. Tip 1's about to go. Why are you not deploying Zenith? Holy crap, it's humming so loud! Dude! Oh my god.
My game froze! No, my game!
110, 120, here we go.
It's finally deploying. It's 140 outside. 150.
Oh, 170, 180.
We're dead.
Oh,
We're dead.
250, 252, 262. What? 262 outside. What? What? Trip is scanning 270. Oh my god.
What just happened? Yo! We can't go one video without getting picked up.
Dude.
We cannot go one video without having a Tip 2 lifter.
260. I don't know how I survived
We cannot
that.
go one video.
Oh my god.
I died.
Where'd the Tip
Dude.
go?
The Tip got launched outside the funnel. That's
Oh my
what happened.
god. 262.
It's almost 280 right now. Dude, I swear, dude, we cannot go one video with that leak having a 200 plus.
Oh my
Our luck is too
god,
good.
dude. That was insane. That's probably least expected. Trip joined, it's perfect timing. Oh, we even have a new storm.
Mm-hmm. Dude, you were picked up outside the funnel.
No, I didn't get picked up.
I thought you did.
No, Mark Pro was far away from me. I think I got like 214, 220. Dude, I got 262 outside the entire funnel. That thing could be 300
Dude.
plus.
All I saw 230 on my probe as I entered the funnel. My tip was shaking, and then like one of the claws fly up, and I'm like, uh-oh.
That was actually insane, dude. Oh my god.
That
That was
I could not
so cool.
believe that tornado did that so quick.
Dude, I'm so glad I took a thumbnail with the sunset on that tornado. I'm gonna name it 262
Yeah.
outside.
If one leaped forwards.
No, okay.
At the very beginning, on that first show, my tip leaped.
Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe. Dennis's YouTube channel is linked in the description. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.